what day is it today? Oh yes, it's Sewing Sunday! Now don't you just hate it when you've got a favourite pair of pants or shorts or a skirt that just doesn't darn fit anymore? Well, what are you supposed to do? I mean, yeah, you could go on a diet, but what if you're trying to reject our patriarchal capitalist society that monetises the self-hatred you have for your own body and encourages you to try desperately to fit into unrealistic beauty standards? What you need is a quick fix! And I just so happen to have one of those. So here I have one of my favourite pair of shorts. They have cats on them. But sadly, the waistband is now just too small and definitely does not fit me anymore. But I don't just want to give these away because I love them. They have cats on them. So on a previous Sewing Sunday, I showed you how to take in a pair of pants. This week, I'm going to show you how to take out a pair of pants. So what you're going to need is the item of clothing you're doing things to, pieces of elastic, thread, needles and pins, and a pair of sharp scissors. I'm going to do this all today by hand. You can of course do this on a sewing machine, but I just thought it'd be nice to do a hand sewn thing today because not everybody has a sewing machine. Another reason I want to do a hand sewn thing is because I can watch Netflix while I do it, and I've just started watching The Queen's Gambit and it's absolutely amazing. Not just because it's an amazing TV show, but also because I'm a major chess nerd. If you didn't think I was a nerd already, you definitely will when you find out that when I was 11 I was a UK chess champion and I have the trophy to prove it. But back to the quick fix! So the first thing you're going to want to do is find where your zip is. Whoa! And the plan is very simple. We're going to add in some more material down this side. You can of course make a little panel in a matching fabric. If you don't, or if you want a little bit of extra give, then I find elastic is always a good way to go. I'm going to cut a strip down here and sew this little bit of elastic in. Huzzah! Whoa. So the next thing you're going to do is realise you made a grave mistake in realising that your elastic stretches this way, but not this way. So you can't just pop it in that way like you were planning. You're going to have to do it lengthways, but that's fine. It means we'll cut this into equal length squares and then sew them down this way. It's all good. Pro tip, cut on a slight diagonal to avoid fraying. Then make rain elastic pieces. So for sewing our first bit of elastic on, what you want to do is take one side and you want to sew it what we call right sides together. So basically, take the side you're sewing, take your elastic and just lie it on top like that. Then what we're going to do is sew along here, so then you can fold it out over like that and we won't be able to see the stitches. Wahey! So now I've sewed it all on that side. What I'm going to do is do the exact same on this side. And ta-da! So now that this is in there, all I've got to do is close this little hole and then it's done! Alright! And boom! Now, they zip up. And that's how you do a quick fix! Not sure how to end it now.